Good day, this is George Kosh, and I would like to take you through Link Magic. This is a great little time saver. It allows you to organize all of the URLs that you use to log in and do your promotions and things like that. And you'll see why it's called Link Magic in a moment, because I'm going to start the system by clicking this green button that all of you will see, and click here to get started. Now, the first thing before I get into it is, how do you find it? Well, it's under Biz Builders if you use the modern menu, just down here. And then, of course, it's over here on the left menu under Advertising and Traffic. You'll see it under Link Magic. And it's under the Advanced menu here under the L's, Link Magic right there. So let's get started. You click here, and the best way to do this is just to show you what it does. I'm going to add a URL now to my button. These buttons are launch buttons. So what they're going to do is they're going to launch URLs or websites simultaneously as tabs in your browser. So let's click Add URL, and I'm going to add one here just to get us started. I'm going to grab one from one of my promotions that I like to do, and you can grab these URLs by saying to yourself, okay, so I want to log into a site and save me time from going there to log in. So there's one at One Gold Mine. I'm going to enter that in. And just to show you, I'm going to add another one in here. I'll do the login to, let's say, Herculist. And again, you can go in another browser and just grab these URLs, and they'll come up, and then you can put in the login links to each of these things. And I'm just going into Herculist here, and let's add another URL and enter URL. So you can see I've added two, but watch the magic now. And notice up here there are no other tabs in my browser. Watch what happens when I click the launch button. Do you see how I've got two loading here? I've got number One Gold Mine and Herculist. So this saves a lot of time, because now I could just log into each one and start promoting. And for example, say I had 10 of them in here. That would be even better. I would probably limit to 10 or 12 per, but you can do as many as you want. You can keep adding them. You can also create new buttons just like this, and it'll add another button down here. There's no limit to how many buttons you can have, but that way you can group your URLs. So you could have your safe lists in this one, you could have your exchanges in this one, you could have ads. For example, the ad examples here under training, you could put that one in there to open that link too. As long as you're logged in, you'd be all set. Okay, so that's kind of neat. If you run into any issues where you're getting a thing called a pop-up blocker, it might happen when you click on one of these launch and only one opens. It's no problem to fix that at all. If you look up here in your browser to the right by this little this area here, you'll see an icon that says pop-up block. You click on it and just say don't block for this site. You can also go over here under your settings, click on settings in either Microsoft Chrome or Google Chrome, and you scroll down and you could go into the security area and open it up under privacy and security on the left menu. Scroll down and you can open up the site settings right here. Click on site settings, scroll down, and it will talk to you down here about pop-ups and redirects. See that? So now I can add an opening here. Now I'm opening these up and it's fine, so I don't need to do anything because I've already opened up Worldprofit to allow everything. Alright, so just go in, add it, and you're all set. That keeps it easy. If you have any problems, just do a support ticket, but I don't think you'll have any trouble with that at all. Okay, so thank you very much, and enjoy this part of the package for your silver or platinum membership. Take care.